Hello everyone, this is BSc first year class of Algebra and Trigonometry, and we are going to discuss types of matrices, and in this what is mean by scalar matrix. So write down the definition of scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix, so it is first diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix whose all diagonal entries are same whose all diagonal entries are same is known as scalar matrix. So let consider the set S K belongs to the set of complex numbers, represents the set of all scalar matrices of order 3. Represents then identity or unit matrix. A scalar matrix whose all diagonal entries are equal to 1. A scalar matrix whose all diagonal entries are equal to 1 is called unit or identity matrix. Is called unit or identity matrix. So it is denoted by IN. So nth order identity matrix is denoted by IN. So consider a set S is the identity matrix of order 3. Is the identity of order 3. Now idempotent matrix. So what is meant by idempotent matrix? A square matrix Aij n cross n is said to be an idempotent matrix is is said to be an idempotent matrix if A square is equal to A. That is, the square of the matrix A is itself. For example, A is equal to 0 matrix and A is equal to identity matrix are idempotent matrices. Because if A is a 0 matrix, then A square is also a 0 matrix. If A is identity matrix, then A square is equal to identity matrix, that is A square is equal to A. Now, involutory matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij n cross n is said to be an involutory matrix if A square is equal to I. If A square is equal to I. For example, I and negative of I are involutory matrix. Involutory matrix means its square is identity matrix. Now, nilpotent matrix. Nilpotent matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij n cross n is said to be nilpotent matrix if there exists a natural number k such that A raised to k is equal to 0 and the smallest natural number m such that A raised to m is equal to 0 is known as index of the nilpotent matrix. He is called now it is the very important type of matrix. A square matrix is said to be nilpotent matrix if there exists a natural number k such that A raised to k is equal to 0. At some stage A raised to k is equal to 0 and the smallest such m such that A raised to m is equal to 0 is called as index of the nilpotent matrix. No, orthogonal matrix. A square matrix a square matrix A is equal to Aij n cross n n cross n is said to be an orthogonal matrix is said to be an orthogonal matrix if A transpose is equal to A transpose A is equal to identity. If the matrix A is orthogonal, then the multiplication of A with its transpose is equal to identity, or multiplication of its transpose into A is equal to identity. Now unitary matrix. What is meant by unitary matrix? A square matrix A is equal to Aij n cross n is said to be unitary matrix if A into A theta is equal to A theta into A is equal to I, where A theta is a transpose conjugate, or you can say that A into A star is equal to A star A into I, where A star or A theta is a transpose conjugate of a matrix A, where A theta or A star is transpose conjugate of a matrix A. Example, A is equal to I and A is equal to minus I are unitary matrices. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So what is meant by symmetric and skew symmetric matrices? A square matrix A is said to be symmetric is said to be symmetric if A is equal to its transpose. If A transpose is equal to A or A is equal to A transpose, then we say that A is a symmetric matrix. That means A is symmetric Aij is equal to aji for all I comma j. Aij is equal to aji for all I and j. So consider a set X which contains all 3 by 3 matrices A, F, E, F, B, D, E, D, C, such that A, B, C, E, F, D belongs to set of complex numbers is a set of all 3 by 3 symmetric matrices. This contains symmetric matrices of order 3. And Aij is equal to Aj for all I and j, because we know that this is the element of first row second column. 1 2 A12 is equal to A21 second row first column. A13 is equal to A31 and A23 is equal to A32. Now skew symmetric matrices. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A, or Aij is equal to minus of Aji for all I comma j. For example, consider a set S ABC 0 BC BC minus B 0 E minus C minus E and 0. Also note that all diagonal entries of the skew symmetric matrices are 0. B, C, E belongs to set of complex numbers. This set contains skew symmetric matrices of order 3. Skew symmetric matrix of order 3. Note that all diagonal entries of the skew symmetric matrix are 0. All diagonal entries of the skew symmetric matrix are 0. Now, properties of the symmetric matrix. So first property, if A and B are symmetric matrices of same order and K is any number, if K is any number, then first Ka is also symmetric. K into A is also symmetric. Second, A plus B is also symmetric. A plus B is also symmetric. Third, AB is symmetric, A into B is symmetric if and only if it commutes with each other. AB is equal to BA. And fourth, A raised to n, where n is any natural number, is also symmetric. So today's lecture I am going to stop over here. Thank you.